Hello, this is how to use Rankmath FAQ Frequently Asked Questions. It's very good for CEO. So this is how to use Rankmath Frequently Asked Questions. So assuming this is the page now, let me go to this page now. Assuming you want to edit any page and input your Rankmath frequently asked question, just visit your C WordPress C panel. What I'm saying, you just visit your WordPress editor. So once you are in your WordPress, this is a normal classic WordPress editor. So once you are there and you are done with your article writing, so this is on a normal day. This is what you see as your Rankmath. This is Rankmath snippet. This is what your title will show on Google. This is the URL. This is the URL, the permalink. So this I've not make it SEO friendly. So this is your permanent link. This permalink. Now this is your description. You find everything there in the snippet. Google snippet on the Rankmath section. So once you are there and you've input it 150 instead of 160, I'm having instead of I'm having 160 character, instead of having 75 character, 75. So I'm having 75 character, which is very okay. This one, instead of having 60 character, I'm having almost 73 character. But this one is okay by me anyway. So this, to improve your SEO scores, these are all the suggestions you have to follow. You read it and you implement the suggestion. They are just suggestions for you to increase. You read it, you implement the suggestion. That's how to increase it. You can have 87, 81, 91 on your Rankmath. So once you implement all this, because I've not implemented any of this, that's why. But today that is not what we want to discuss on. So basically, this is your WordPress editor. You write. Okay, when you click here, every tool you need. When you click here, you appear. You can bold, just highlight it and bold it. You can italics your any word you want, highlight it. Then you can link to another page. You highlight the text you want to link to. Then click on the link symbol. You put it. You type to you after you click on the link symbol. You now put it on the or you now test. You now put it on the you now type your text. Sorry, you now type your text of where you want to link to, the page you want to link to. If you type 2 words, it will a many suggestion will come out, and you just click. I want to link to how much toilet paper now. So look at the pages that suggested. I can click on it and link to anyone. This one, it will link to this one. So that means I've linked it now. So that is it. But today, let's go to how to use Rankmath FAQ. So once you are here, if you are still using classic editor, just like I am, so once you are here, you have to switch to text box editor, and to switch, you will find it here. Switch to I've now switch to, where is it? I'm not finding it here. Switch to does this thing have it? Now does this thing have switch? So I don't think this thing have it. Well, let me pause the video first.